Alright guys, moment of truth. I just unbolted these. I'm gonna see how the piston bearings look like. Hopefully they didn't scar the, if they're bad, hopefully they didn't scar the crank. This is the first time me seeing them, so we'll see now. Oh no. Let me see if I have a light. They don't look bad. No scarring. These same. I mean, it looks good. I'm surprised. I'm really surprised that come on, focus. I'm surprised that it's not as bad. Let me see now if I can get the piston to come out. On the bottom, it's almost out. Oh, what a mess. Oh man. But yeah, piston is out. It's in a mess. That's what you get. That's what you get, stupid. But anyway, piston look good, even though I'm gonna change them, but yeah, it looks good. Like I said, there is no scarring, so I just made a big mess, but oh well, can't do everything with one hand. Yeah, that looks good. That's number one. And then I'm gonna proceed doing the rest of it. Learn on my mistakes, guys. Don't do what I just did. Yeah, so yeah guys, I was just checking. I'll let you know, guys, if I find something else. I'm pretty sure that they're all good. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video.